Hi, I'm Dr. Satish Kumar from SK Smile Dental Clinic. A lot of our patients tend to ask us, why do we keep on saying that dental implants are the best replacement option? To answer that, we have come up with this video to inform you about the points what make dental implants superior to other replacement options. Stay tuned. Reason number 1. Dental implants are extremely similar to natural teeth. How natural teeth have a root which is covered by bone and gums and a crown portion over it. Similarly, a dental implant has a fixture which goes within the bone surrounded by the gums and a crown portion over it. This is not the case when it comes to dentures, which just sits upon the gums and on bridges which take support from adjacent teeth. Reason number 2. Dental implants are a long-lasting solution. That is, when you compare it with other replacement options. Number 1 is dentures. It sits onto the gum surface and takes superficial support from the bone below it. What happens is, over a period of time, the bone tends to resorb and the dentures become loose. You need to frequently keep changing it. When it comes to bridges, it takes support from the tooth in front and tooth behind. In case there is any problem with those teeth, you need to replace your entire bridge. This is not the case with dental implants. It stands alone. So no problem to the surrounding tooth structures affects it. Yes, it however requires some amount of maintenance. But in the long term, it has been shown that the success rate of implants is somewhere between 95 to 98%. Reason number 3, the ability to preserve bone. Imagine you have a tree with long roots. It is those long roots which keep the soil in its position. Soon as the roots are lost, you see that the soil is also lost along with it. Similarly is the case of bone in your mouth. Soon as the teeth are removed, there is resorption or loss of bone which begins. You might have seen elderly people around you who have a shrunken jaw height because of the loss of bone. What this implant do is, it prevents this loss. It goes straight into the bone and preserves as much as bone as it can. The other replacement options like bridges and dentures do not do this. Reason number 4. It prevents the discomfort associated with removable dentures. Removable dentures have a lot of problems which come along with it. Number 1, you need to remove it at night. Number 2, you need to regularly clean it. Number 3, over a period of time it might become loose. It might pop out. Number 4, it might affect your speech. All these problems can be avoided by going in for dental implants because dental implants are a fixed option. Number 5, it does not damage the adjacent teeth. Now, if you have to go in for a bridge, you know that any crown structure requires at least 2 to 3 mm of thickness. So, for going in for a bridge, you will have to cut the teeth before the empty space and the teeth behind the empty space. What you end up doing is, you lose precious amount of enamel and some amount of dentine. This can lead to sensitivity, pain and initiation of decay in the long run. So what you are doing is, to replace a few teeth, you are sacrificing teeth around it. Similarly with dentures, they might have hooks which grab on to the adjacent teeth to hold it in place. However, this does not happen with dental implants. Dental implants gets its complete support from the bone below it and does not damage the adjacent teeth. Reason number 6, easy to maintain. Dental implants are extremely easy to maintain. Their maintenance is similar to their adjacent teeth. What you need to do is, you need to brush it twice daily. Other than that, you need to use a floss or an interdental brush as prescribed by the dentist. There are no other things which are required. For example, if you're having a denture, you need to remove it at night. You need to soak it in a solution. You need to use a cleansing agent and all those things around it. Dental implants are the most simple to maintain among the various replacement options. So today we have discussed the 6 points what makes dental implants the best replacement option in today's day and age. To know more about it, contact our clinic, take an appointment and meet any of our dentists. They will explain you more about it and all your queries can be solved. So whenever you're thinking about replacement, think dental implants. I'm Dr. Satish Kumar. This is SK Smile Dental Clinic. Thank you.